Apha namhlanje eMontini lapha kuGombo ngoku nisuka ngapha eKwaZulu Natal abantu babonile busithi uzoba lapha uzoba part of le march isizathu sokuthi nisuke ngapha eKZN nize apha eMonti
ingoba eqinisweni sinto eyodwa amaXhosa amahahabe sabe nguni sonke kubalekile ukuthi we unite isikhathi sokuhlangana lesi ukuthi sinqobe lo sathane okwenzeka ezweni lethu la kwavuleleka khona abantu bokuhamba ukuthi bahlala kuleli zongemthetho sababekana namakhosi ke manje into engiyifunayo ukuthi thina cha siwuzulu sizolekalela sabo lomfowethu lapha umfowethu abandaba ukuthi seziqiniseko sokuthi ibutho lakwaZulu elitshalwe ingonyama la lizokwenza iqiniseko sokuthi inkosi yaseNigeria ebekwe la ingamanyala ayiphindele kwela kubo
ngoku nina njengoba lento yenzeka ewe yenzeka eEastern Cape ewe yenzeka apha kuGombo kodwa ke nje nina nisuka kwaZulu nithatha lento ezimhlawumbi
isithuko esikhulu kakhulu apha ezweni laseNingizimu Afrika eMzantsi Afrika siyakuqabuka ukuthi oGomba amakhosi asendulo ukuthi angayivuma kanjani ukuthi the history will judge us wrong when we allow such a mistake to happen in our own land, in our wash. We are the people that's supposed to be in charge of the country and the constitution of this country. The elder people have failed. Our government have failed. The political organization that liberated this country has failed. Now it's our time for us as black people to unite and bring back our land. City abahambe bonke esipika khulukazi ama-Nigeria ziyakhala manje.
Well, you hear Michelle from Ngizwe Mkhunu also talking about they will be moving to Gauteng as well, to Johannesburg as well.